Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap an Infiniti Q50. First, ensure your workspace is clean and well lit, ideally with a temperature between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by thoroughly washing the car, then use a degreaser and isopropyl alcohol to remove all waxes and contaminants. This crucial step ensures proper vinyl adhesion and a professional result. Don't skip it. Before you start, gather your essential tools: a heat gun, various squeegees, a sharp knife, and application magnets. Measure and pre-cut your vinyl pieces, leaving an extra 2 to 3 inches on all sides for trimming. Carefully position the vinyl onto the panel using your magnets, ensuring it's perfectly aligned before you begin the adhesion process. This precision saves time later. Now the main event, applying the vinyl. Start from the center of the panel and work your way outwards, using your squeegee with firm, even pressure. For curved areas, gently heat the vinyl with your heat gun to make it pliable, allowing it to stretch and conform smoothly. Take your time, meticulously working out any air bubbles or wrinkles for a flawless finish. Once the vinyl is applied, carefully trim the excess material using a sharp knife, following the contours of the car's panels. Reinstall all the emblems, trim pieces, and door handles you removed earlier. Finally, post-heat all wrapped surfaces to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step sets the adhesive, preventing lifting and ensuring your Infiniti Q50 wrap lasts for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.